this steel plate, I managed to get SepcoTech. I just came back from the US, and this is to show the flex on both sides. This is SepcoTech being sprayed onto a flexible steel bar to show the flex, as this was what the concerns were earlier. So, and this is like a drop of water, just to show that this is still smooth, not only flexible, smooth and strong. You can see that the beeps, this is hydrophobic, this is actually sea speed onto the steel bar. And so right now you can actually scratch or use your fingernails and scratch it, and it's very strong, very flexible and very smooth. Unlike the soft silicones, which you can actually scratch with your fingernails. You can see that you can actually scratch the soft silicones with your fingernails.